how to make money on people per hour as a career coach. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create a profile, where you're going to list your own skill, or where you're going to showcase your skill to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if someone is looking for a career coach, he will just go enter to the platform, go to the search button in here, click on search freelancers, and here he's going to enter what he is looking for example, a career coach. Click on the search button, and here click on all offers, and after creating your profile, he will find here, let's go with career coaching, and then click on the search. So you'll just find directly your profile in some place with these other freelancers profiles. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile of yours just like these people's profiles. As you can see, this one is getting paid $865 per hour, $150 per hour, $20 per hour, 45, 100. So the amount of money that they're getting paid varies from a profile to another. So this man has a lot of skills. As you can see, we have him in here, and we have him in here also, Christopher in here also, Christopher again, Christopher. So let's go back to the beginning to show you how you can create your own profile in the platform to showcase your skills. So go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and here click on I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to go with my email and my password as well, and click on login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now. And as you can see, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here drop your profile picture. After that, you proceed to your job title. As you can see, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with career coach, and then you enter your skills, and here the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So let's start with career. So here we have career coaching and career advice as well. So here we have career advice, career consultant, and let's go with coach. So here, if you are doing leadership coaching, you can add that as well. And if you are doing life coaching, personal coaching, interview, business, executive. So here we have executive coaching, life coaching, personal coaching, interview. Let's go with personal coaching, and that's enough, I guess. And after you're done with your skills, then you proceed to describing yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to enter a very decent description for your profile, what I like to do personally is going to the search button in here and searching for my competitors. So here we're going to open that in a new tab and enter here career coaching, and let's search for my competitors and let's check their description, looking in order to find some inspiration. So here it seems like there is no offers found. I think there is some problem. Let's go back. So here let's check this man's description. So here let's check this man's description. So he got 98 sales out of 27,000 views, and his description looks from the get-go very long, as you can see, more than 3 paragraphs. So guys, make sure to not do the same mistake like Christopher. Make sure your description is 3 paragraphs or less, from here to here, or even less. The less the better. As you can see, the highest ranked CV writer on this site in 2018, and pretty much every month since. I am ranked in the top 0.5% of all series site-wide and in the top 10 in writing most months. Check me out by just googling my name or looking on LinkedIn. I am the first result on both. I am a headhunter with 20 years of experience in recruitment, CV writing, resume writing, cover letter writing, and the creation of LinkedIn profiles. So as I said in the beginning, this is a very long description. Make sure to avoid making long descriptions, guys. Make sure to make it less than 3 paragraphs, and that will work for you just fine. And after you're done with your description, then you proceed to the location. So here, after entering your location, then you enter the languages that you can speak. So for me, I can go with English, and you can add any other language you can speak. After that, you add your hourly rate, and here you change the currency to dollars, pounds, or euros, whatever you like. Then you click on submit application, and that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.